Hey guys, Casey here. Welcome back to the channel. I wasn't going to do a third bead roller video, but I finished it and I figured I might as well show you the modifications that I made. So check it out. So if you haven't already seen parts 1 and 2, this was a bit of a saga. I welded the hell out of it and I warped the hell out of it, but it is nice and sturdy now. Before, you could literally grab the bead roller frame with 2 fingers and you could flex it. Not any longer. So yeah. Also, I ditched the hand crank and replaced it with a steering wheel. I believe it's a Ford F1 wheel. I just took the hand crank sleeve, I guess you'd call it, and I welded it to the steering wheel. Kind of melted the wheel a little bit. The other thing is my handle for the top die. I actually kind of geeked out on this. So, fun Betty Page shift knob that I've had laying around, and an old 15mm wrench because I have lots of extra wrenches. I also made a little brass bushing that basically spins freely on the shaft. I don't know if you can see that. Just so that it's not just a screw bottoming out into this block that holds the shaft in place. But yeah, I also put oilite bronze in here so that knob spins so that you can do a really nice motion like that. Let me show you how I did the bronze. All right, so basically I machined a little shaft, and then the adapter that threads onto the shift handle is mounted in between oilite bronze bushings, top and bottom. It's completely contained on all 3 sides, so that this aluminum collar spins free. And then, as you can see, I deformed the bottom threads slightly so that the shift knob won't thread on too far and start to clamp it. So yeah, much nicer than just a bolt that you have to find a wrench for, and then, you know, just presses directly into the block. And if you saw in my last video, I tried to straighten this thing out. I got it mostly straight. It would have worked, but I went ahead and I milled the center just ever so slightly so that now it's perfect. So I guess what we have to do now is see how she works. Well, I'm not going to be hanging that on the wall. I mean, I could see it going wrong as soon as I started trying to put the beads in the center. I don't know if the size of the piece and the depth of the beads and all the beads running the same way is what made it go so wrong, but hey, you know, you gotta start somewhere, right? Anyway, this is only 26 gauge. So it says anyway. It seems thicker than that. Yeah. I need to do a little bit more practice before I start on these seats. But the roller works nice. All right, guys, that's it for this week's video update here. I've got a little bit of a learning curve ahead of me. I think I'm gonna do a deep dive, maybe watch some of Carl Fisher's bead roller videos, because I know that he's pretty good at this stuff. I've got some figuring to do. Anyway, I hope you like the resolution of my Harbor Freight bead roller upfitting saga, whatever you want to call it. I think that came out a lot better than my first bead rolled panel. Anyway, hey, hit that like button if you like what you saw in today's video. Hit the dislike button if you didn't. Hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought of the video or what you want to see more of in future videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm going to build these bomber seats. I'm just going to have to do a lot of practice before I start rolling the aluminum for them. So anyway, that's all I know. Thank you very much for watching this week, and I'll see you guys soon. I don't know why I thought that I was going to just put together a bead roller and instantly be good at rolling beads and metal panels.